Good morning. Myself Sukhbir Kour and I am from JLS Public School. Today is my first day of summer camp and I am going to prepare bhel and mojito. Now for bhel I require ingredients and here are my ingredients. This is chopped onion, this is chopped tomatoes, this is puffed rice, this is mint and this is red chili powder, this is chaat masala, this is amchur, this is salt, this is lemon juice, this is navratan mixture and now I am going to make it. First I will put some chopped tomatoes in it. Now I am going to put chopped onions. Now I am going to put puffed rice in it. Now I am going to put red chili powder. You can put as per your wish, as per your taste. This is salt. This is amchur powder. This is navratan's mixture. This is salt. This is lemonade juice. Now I am going to mix it all. Stuff in this bowl. Now I am going to put this mint leaves for garnishing. Thank you. Now see, our bhel is ready. Now I am going to taste it. Yummy, wow, it's really very delicious. I hope you enjoy it and try it also. Thank you.